In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image in LibreOffice Writer. If you're creating a report, a flyer, or a simple document that needs visuals, adding an image is straightforward once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along with confidence. Start by launching LibreOffice Writer. Open it from your Applications menu or desktop and wait for a blank document or an existing file to load. Having the document open and ready ensures the image goes exactly where you intend. Next, choose where you want the image to appear. Place your cursor in the document at the exact spot you want the picture to be inserted. If you already have text or another object in place, selecting it helps Writer understand the context for placement. Think of this as setting the stage for the image so it fits neatly into your flow. Now, look to the top of the window for the main menu bar. Click Insert. This menu is where Writer gathers all the tools for adding content, like images, charts, and shapes. Using the Insert menu is the most consistent method, especially if you're working on different computers or with varied window layouts. From the Insert menu, choose Image. You'll see it listed in the drop-down. This command tells Writer you want to bring a picture from your computer into the document. A file browser will open. Navigate to the folder where your image is stored, select the file, and click Open. Common formats like PNG and JPEG work great, and higher resolution images generally look sharper on the page. Once you click Open, the image will appear at your cursor's location. You'll notice selection handles around it. That's a visual cue that the image has been inserted and is ready to be positioned or formatted later if needed. If you prefer a quicker route, you can also use the Insert Image icon on the standard toolbar. It resembles a small photo. Clicking it opens the same file browser, and the process from there is identical. Choose your image and confirm. This shortcut is handy if you insert images frequently and want to minimize clicks. That's all you need to seamlessly insert an image in LibreOffice Writer. With your document open, your cursor set, and either the Insert menu or the toolbar icon, you can bring in visuals in seconds. Follow these steps each time, and you'll keep your documents clear, professional, and easy to read. Thanks for watching, and happy editing.